Wildcard Fusion is back, baby!
Wildcard, bitches! Yeah! What?
And today we're going to be making a Miso Ramen Sandwich. Can it be? Is it possible? Yes, it is. And the sandwich will be made up of all the normal things you'll find in, well, a miso ramen. Take notes, BuzzFeed. So one of the most important things in a bowl of ramen, to me, is the chashu pork. The thinly sliced, delicious marinated pork. So today I'm going to make a fast and easy little cheater's chashu for ya. Which starts with thinly sliced pork. Fry up your pork until crispy and nice with some oil, and then add in the usual suspects that we use for regular chashu braising, which is soy sauce, mirin, and sugar. And yeah, I know you're supposed to put garlic and ginger as well, but just okay. This is the fast and easy version. If you want the real version, click on the card, damn it. Keep simmering it until it's kind of teriyaki-y. And of course there is no miso ramen or miso ramen sandwich without some miso, right? So while working earlier today, I was actually thinking about this recipe and I wonder how I can implement miso into my sandwich idea. Miroslav is a funny Russian name. Miroslav. Miso slaw? Miso slaw? Miso coleslaw? Yeah. That's right, I'm going to be making a miso coleslaw, and just look at this, it's incredibly delicious. You start with some Kewpie mayonnaise. Now Kewpie mayonnaise is a sort of Japanese mayonnaise, which is kind of sweeter than normal mayo. So if you're using normal mayo, just add a little bit more sugar, then you're good. And some miso, rice vinegar, and some rayu chili oil. Now that's going to make it a little bit spicy, but hey, that's what I like. If you want it super spicy, you can throw in like bird's eye chilies or dried chili flakes, or yeah, it's up to you. You control your spice. Mix that thoroughly until well combined, and then just shred some cabbage and throw the cabbage in there as well. Mix together and you're all set. Now this coleslaw was insanely delicious, and I highly recommend you try it out during your next barbecue. And then come back to this video and let me know down in the comments. If it tasted like shit, call me out on it. And no sandwich is complete without some sides, right? Well, got you covered, fam. You thought I would forget some ramen noodles, didn't you? Shame on you. I simply boiled, dried, and fried the ramen in kind of a hash brown shape. Ramen browns? Hashmen? We'll figure it out. And if you like the idea of mixing together Western cuisine with Japanese cuisine, please go ahead and subscribe. I post videos weekly. Now, let's get back to the video, shall we? Go! Then I fried a little egg in butter to put on the sandwich as well. I mean, who eats a sandwich without eggs? Who eats ramen without eggs? Crazy people. Then, it's assembly time. On my fancy black stone square serving plate thingy, I put down one brioche bun. Then I slathered it in the coleslaw. Then I threw in a few thin slices of tomato, why not? After the tomatoes comes the meat on top. The juicy and delicious meat. After the meat, top it with the perfectly fried egg. God damn it, I love eggs. Pop the lid on, and we're ready for a cross section. The sweet and savory flavor from the meat, the tangy miso slaw, the ever so full-bodied flavor only a perfect egg yolk can deliver to a sweet and newly made brioche bun. Shit, dude, I'm almost getting half chubbed just thinking about eating that stuff again. Damn, I really urge you guys to try it out. Oh boy. So that's it for this week's Wildcard Fusion. If you enjoyed or want to tell me some crazy mix you want me to try, let me know down in the comments, and also on your way down there, remember to click subscribe. I got a lot of cool video concepts coming up, and I post every week, so hit that subscribe button. Go!